Model, 2023 Citroen Berlingo 950 Driver ed Bluehdi runs and drives minor crash damage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 20,866. Engine, 1,499 cc Bluehdi 100 DV5 RCF, E6.4. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in below average condition but still usable. Genuine honest work van which only requires some minor attention to the rear end. Features, 1 former keeper, none, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, sat-nav, 12 months MOT. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, CAT-S. Click the link